Hello everyone! Today we will introduce our 15 off-road vehicle models. Firstly, there is the entry-level series, including the ELF 110F, the Little Flying Eagle 3rd and 4th generations, and the Golden Eagle 150X. They are lightweight and flexible, suitable for novice practice and daily entertainment. Next is the 250cc's off-road series, including Car, Hercules, and Hurricane. Stronger power, better passability, suitable for forest and mountain cycling. If you prefer stronger power, you can choose KR5, KR9, and K23. The displacement ranges from 300 cc's to 450 cc's, designed specifically for off-road enthusiasts. In addition, we also have ADVV and ATV models. The BY250FE3 ADVV is suitable for long-distance travel, while the ATV300 is suitable for various complex terrains. From entry-level to professional, we have suitable car models. Welcome to contact us for more information.